I put the pan in a plastic bag, and the results are amazing. This trick will make your pan look brand new. It's so effective you'll want to share it with friends and family. You only need 4 ingredients and a plastic bag. Cleaning a burnt pan can be a real hassle, especially when grease and high heat make it hard to scrub kitchenware easily. This method changes everything. Start by pouring a cup of cola into a container. Add 2 tablespoons of baking soda, which is great at removing greasy stains. Then, add 2 tablespoons of dish soap, a tablespoon of salt, and 2 tablespoons of dishwasher rinse aid to make the pan shine. Mix it all together. This combination is perfect for removing tough stains and spots on steel surfaces. Now, prepare a bottle for the liquid. Remove the cap, heat it with a lighter, and poke a small hole in it, or use a bottle with a nozzle if you have one. Next, place your dirty pan in a plastic bag and pour the solution over it, ensuring the entire surface is covered. Tie the bag with the pan inside and let it sit for an hour. After an hour, take the pan out, scrub it with a scouring pad, and rinse with water. Your pan will look as good as new. This easy trick keeps all my pans shiny and spotless without harsh chemicals.